We're going to have some delicious steaks tonight, aren't we, Bill?
Oh yeah, yummy, yum, yum.
And some...
Probably put some garlic salt in there, huh?
local Flagstaff, Arizona lager. And some of this for me. I'm having one of these right now. We're going to have some potatoes. And we'll have some warm cider tonight. We've got some coffee because we are running low. This is our camp, our bikes. And our towels are drying and our washcloths. And this is our tent.
Washing off 3 days of dirt makes you feel like a new person.
We had our shower today at the Mather Campground Showers. It was worth the $2, right?
Yeah.
We haven't had a shower since Friday night, and it's Monday, so we were really looking forward to a shower. We just got in late last night and didn't get a chance to. So we're having a good time. We're looking forward to having a nice meal tonight. We've been eating these types of meals, the freeze-dried foods, and they've been really good too. We have tons of that. And this is our storage container we bought to pull behind Bill's bike. It's a really nice campground. We're at the Pine Loop, number 295 site, and it's been really quiet today. Everybody's out hiking, I'm sure. They'll be back later. We are going to go explore here very shortly, but we had to run some errands. We had to get our drinks and our steak and go a little grocery shopping at the general store here in the park.
Getting everything all work together.
Right.
Let them get to know each other really good.
That's why I got the gallons. They only had quarts in the Ziploc ones.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm just gonna probably double and quadruple bag it, so.
Yeah, good idea. There's 75 of those, so I think we're not hurting for baggies. And anyway, we will go check out the sites. Tomorrow we are planning to hike, so we'll record some then too. Just got in late last night around 5:30. It was getting pretty dark. Just didn't have a whole lot of time to do anything else. We didn't even have a fire last night. We didn't have wood. We bought some wood today at the general store. Here's the wood. Tied up on Bill's bike. This is my bike. These are the casualties of our ride from Tulsa to, look at that one. Wow. Tulsa to the Grand Canyon. These are my new pipes. Vance and Hines. And the bike runs awesomely. So we'll record more later.
time is it?
It's probably around 1 o'clock. Coming down good now. Look at that. I'm glad you packed those. Look at it.
Yeah.